Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on these marbled French tips using the viral stamper hack. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. I'll be starting out today for my nail beds with Zoya Pink Perfector just to kind of even up the color there. Then for the tips, I'll be using Color Club Warhol, Color Club Poptastic, and Color Club Chelsea Girl. Before I move on to the tips, I'm going to do a little bit of protection with liquid latex. Depending on how you poke into the stamper, this can be more or less messy, but I want to try and prevent at least some of the cleanup. Once the latex is dry, I have a lid that I'm going to be using as a palette, and I'm going to be working with 6 drops of polish per nail, 1 drop of the darker pink, 2 drops of the lighter pink, and then 3 drops of the blue. Once I have those applied, I'm going to gently smoosh the stamper into the colors, and then I'm gonna poke my finger into the stamper. During my testing, I thought I was only going to be able to get 1 nail per stamper, but as you saw about halfway through, I realized that I had room, plenty of room to do 2 per stamper. Now that I'm done, I have just a couple tiny small spots that need some touching up, so I'm going to go in with a small brush and just a little bit of each of the colors. Once you've finished any touch-ups, I'm going to move on to cleanup. The latex helped a lot, but the underside of the nail and the very tip of my finger did still get some polish, so I'm just going to go in with a Q-tip and, if necessary, also my usual small brush. I'm going to finish off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how these turned out. I hadn't tried the stamper hack at all before I got started on these, so I was skeptical whether it would work at all, let alone whether it would work for this technique. So I'm really thrilled that they turned out. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial that includes the testing, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments, and maybe let me know whether you've tried the stamper hack or whether you'd give this version a try. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.